Wow, Eastwood Homes did it again. Look at that Charleston style porch. Wait till you see the room that goes into. That's the Wilmington plan from Eastwood Homes. Wow, light and bright and open and airy. Fireplace, it looks like shiplap there, beautiful. Kitchen is beautiful, and in fact, this whole house, and it's got a screened porch. But that kitchen, I like to cook. I would definitely do some serious business in that kitchen. And that sink looks out to the backyard. Love it. Now, different from the one that we featured recently, which there'll be a video clip at the end of this. You can stick around to the end and watch. The one next door is priced at $520K. This one is priced at $550. They're both 4-bedroom homes. Look at that. Hard surfaces. People love that. And so this one has the primary suite on the upper level. So this one has a half bath on the main level, and then 4 bedrooms and 2 baths up. This Wilmington model, look at that. That's the front porch that goes into that room. Is that cool or what? So guys, I would love to go shoot a video tour of this exact house for you, walk through, narrate, show you the rear yard, show you the streetscape. Are you a 550 buyer? Then, ooh, look at that porch, man. Back porch, you're kidding me, right? Ooh, I love that. So call me at 704-345-3400. Let's just go through that one mo again. Let's just hit it. Over on Summer Hill Drive in the neighborhood of Summerlin. And by the way, oh, the stone, nice, and hardy board, fiber cement. So guys, that is just wide open. Look at that. I'll show you on the map where it is located between Mooresville and Davidson. I think you'll really love the location, especially maybe you're a Lowe's employee. You know, the Lowe's Improvement headquarters is in Mooresville. There's a lot of activity on Lake Norman for all types of fun and good stuff. And again, you're on the north end of Charlotte near Lake Norman. So beautiful stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look at that map. There's the map where the exact location is. Charlotte is this way. So you come up 77 from Charlotte and you hit Huntersville area right there. Then you hit Cornelius right there. See, these are also close to the water. Davidson, shout out to Steph Curry. Davidson College is right there. By the way, they just named exit 30 for him. That's his number on his jersey. Nice. Now, to go across the water, you've got 150. That'll take you across over here to the west side of Lake Norman, where Denver is and so on. Maybe you've even got, parents living up at Trilogy Lake Norman. So you're going to be very close that way. You come down, go across. Here's Birkdale Village. That, besides the movie theater, a lot of great restaurants and shopping there. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. And then Mooresville itself is a small town. It's got a very cool little downtown. In fact, the first 3 seasons of the TV movie Homeland with Claire Danes was shot here, and they've got some memorable scenes with Brody in downtown Mooresville right there. That's where they shot the first 3 years. So guys, let's go look at this house, 704-345-3400. That's my number. Never reach out to the builder. Always reach out to me. Get one of my buyer agent team in your back pocket, and we'll either go do a FaceTime with you, ask me to go shoot a video tour of this or the other one. Wait for the video tour of this house coming up afterwards, and I'm waiting for your phone call, 704-345-3400.